this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the extra dim setting on your Android phone. So if your Android phone is still way too bright for some reason, even though you're adjusting it right here, you can see how dark it gets now. So if it's still like kind of too bright for you, you can go to settings, scroll on all the way down to accessibilities. Then we can go to where it says vision enhancements. Scroll on down, and there should be an option on here for extra dim, so you can see the difference. And I actually like this on. I mean, it's not so bright for my eyes, so if you're going to be reading or something like that, it might be nice. Then we got like reduce animations. I don't really need this on. Sensitive to animations and movements. Yep, that's me. Then we go to color corrections, and if we are doing like reading on our phone, we can go to grayscale. That's kind of convenient too. But just look at all the different options on here. You might want one on, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.